In this video, you learn how to use Celigo's on-premise agent with API Builder to securely fetch data from on-prem systems like a MySQL database behind a firewall. We'll build an API to query product details for Acme Chocolatiers, a fast-growing confectionery company modernizing its operations by making legacy data available through secure cloud APIs. I've already set up a MySQL database on a Windows machine. It has a table named Products, which lists confectionery items. Here's what the table looks like. In Celigo, we'll create an agent and then download the installer. In the Windows machine, we'll install the agent click Finish, and to enter the agent token, we'll need to copy it from here in the agents page in Celigo. Once submitted, the agent is active and ready, allowing Celigo to securely access on-prem systems without opening any firewall ports. Next, we'll create our API in API Builder. Add an HTTP method and relative URI to configure the API request. And then create a new lookup step for MySQL to query our on-prem database. Here is an on-premise MySQL connection already set up using the agent, pointing to our product database. Add a SQL query to fetch all products, preview the data, add the results mapping, and then test the API. In Postman, we'll send a GET request to our products endpoint by authenticating using the Celigo API token. The request successfully calls the MySQL database via the on-prem agent, securely retrieving the product data. In just a few steps, we have securely exposed on-prem data as an API using Celigo's on-prem agent with API Builder. This is a fast, low-risk path to modernizing legacy systems, allowing you to integrate them with cloud applications without disrupting existing operations.